Lamdam masigi MMA fighter sing bumalem ki thakta pukhatna bagi pandam golone na Manipur Pride MMA Rise of Worrier 1 haina mingthod ba event amanga se chahi asigi April ahum dagi houdoklagani haina Rise of Worrier 1 gi event director Rangam Chiruna phongdorakle wafam asing ase event asiga mailene na chingmairong de leba classic grande gi dynasty hall da pangthokhiba pawgi mpham amada phongdokhibani mahana makha taruna Jim Vonjo MMA Fitness Management Sinduna Pangthokadariba event asi maruona lamdam asida hojek oriba wathuk lanthok kaya asina sanaroi singdeba pungfana sanaba phanglaktabana maram oiduna mapalamda chatuna sanarakpa sing asigi khanduna masana asigi sanaroi singbu mapungfana sengbatpa ngamnabagi pandamgolona khongthang asi paikhalakpani amadi event asida amateur amasung pro fight sing legani haikibolona event asigi screening to April ahungi mamangda pangthokani haba wafam sing phongdokhe.
Finally, we have to respect our warriors. With the population of Manipur, ratio our fighters in ratio to our population, we have elite fighters fighting in different organizations. We have Manipur's first fighter in the Matrix Fight Night, and so many other fighters. I can name some like Jacko Lystrom is there, brother Lystrom Chaurazit is there, and of course our very own Jojo Rajkumari is also there. They will be coming for the event in April. We will keep doing our efforts to promote our Manipuri mixed martial artists to the very best of our level.
Masidantana lamdam masigi ahanba Matrix Fight Night Fighter oikrabi Bonjobi nomai themna haikipada lamdam masigi lairiba fighter singna chahi thengna sanaba haurakpa maramna malemgi oina record chanbagi chang walakpa amadi UFC na chingba achauba championship sangba ngamnaba lambi ama sembani event asida amateur amadi pro fight oina ani thokna sanagani haiba wafam sing phongdokhe.
Akhoi Rise of Worrier na sinjari uside akhoi Manipur ki local ki कोई pro fighter और गदा बसु amateur और जो कोई कितना मोई की topology कितना हैंगट ना वाई तारे कोई की topology record ना तो दुना मोई का काना की 18 years मतुम 19-20-21 years मोई ना 10 0 द Manipur record same रहा just अपोई ना Manipur Pride MMA सिगा अपोई ना फजना चिल्लगा फजना पांगथोपा सही इनका अनिल ओम ना पांगथोपा ना मगदी मोई record 3 times build up दुनिया